Simple, oh. Perfect. It's one of the easiest pastas you can make. The best. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. It's a beautiful day, and today we are preparing a very simple Italian dish. Pangalan is Cacio e Pepe. Why are we doing this? Kasi for the past several episodes, medyo pricey yung mga nagawa natin, no? Gawa tayo ng lobster roll, gawa tayo ng salmon, so it's quite expensive. So now, ito naman, murang-mura na siya. Tatlo lang yung ingredients niya. Pepper, pecorino cheese, and your trusty pasta. It's so easy to make, pero you have to be very careful on the method on how to make this a pasta. Paano kasi maraming sumusubok nito, pero ang nangyayari, nagiging failure dahil mali yung methodology. I've done this in the past, no? I tried for how many times, and yun, I've also failed kasi nga mali yung method ko. So what we'll do is we'll roast some pepper. Ayan. Okay. And then while we're roasting that, lulutuin na natin tong pasta natin. And we'll put salt din sa natin. We'll put salt sa pasta water natin. Always put salt in your pasta water and apply a lot of salt. I mean, put a lot of salt. And yun. Ihurot na ito atong salt. So this one is good for 1 or 2 servings. We'll make 2 servings. Yun, good for 2 servings. Okay, kumukulo yung tubig natin. There you go. Just drop it there. So while we're doing that, and then while we're toasting our pepper, yun, oh. Pag maamoy mo siya na toast na siya, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Yun, hindi mo kailangan siya sunugin. Okay, bango, oh. Bango ng pepper. Wow. So I'll put this on the side. And then, kuha ko ng grater. Pag-grate natin, maganda talaga pinong-pino. And then, gamitin natin is pecorino. Some people will use Parmigiano, Reggiano. Yeah, pwede. Pero the best talaga for Cacio e Pepe is really pecorino. No? Ship's milk, bit salty. And then, the key here really is kailangan yung cheese natin pinong-pino. So mamaya kukunin ko pa rin yung yung mga gine-grate natin ng mga cheese na medyo malaki, pipinuhin ko pa yan. Kailangan marami tayong cheese, no? Masarap talaga yung Cacio e Pepe na maraming cheese. Lami talaga, oh. Cacio e Pepe. Really good. So yung medyo malaki, mamaya kukunin ko siya, pinuhin pa natin yan. Kasi why do you want na very fine yung cheese mo? Because you're cooking this, and you're not cooking this anymore in direct heat, no? So yung sustained heat na lang niya ang ginagamit natin mamaya para sa pagluto ng paggawa ng cream sa cheese niya. Kumusta naman yung pasta natin? Actually talagang mabilis nang lutuin to, eh. So what you want is after mga 8 minutes, al dente na yung pasta mo. Then we move it to another skillet. Doon natin siya tatapusin. Oh, konti pang cheese. Yun. So we're doing this cheese habang hinihintay natin maluto yung yung pasta natin. Marami-rami na to. So hanapin ko ngayon yung malalaking cheese. And then yun naman ang gigrate natin dito para magpumino. You want it na talagang pinong-pino para mag-melt siya ng tama. Kasi hindi mo kailangan ng high heat when you put in your cheese already. And then once you put in your cheese, kailangan minimix mo na siya ng gusto. Doon you create para kang gumagawa ng emulsion. Doon mo ginagawa yung pinaka cheese niya para maging creamy. Minimix mo siya ng mabuti. Okay? So we're almost done with the cheese. Once we're done with the cheese, yung pino, ganda. Parang buhangin, parang boracay lang. Ganun kapino. Kasimpino ng buhangin ng Boracay. Yan. And then we'll put this here lang, just in case kailangan pa natin ng cheese, no? Dito tayo. Ito toast na natin, tinoast na natin yung pepper natin. And now, we're going to make a broth using itong pepper. Pero i-grind na natin siya. So, what we'll do is, we'll put it here. Yan. Sa kumukulong tubig, check mo na rin yung pasta mo. Lapit na, maybe 2 minutes, tapos itong pasta na to. Okay, there you go. Let's put a ladle of water. Siguro more. Okay. Pakulo natin yan. Pag kumulo na siya, yun yung pinaka broth natin sa pasta. So we'll check our pasta, how it's coming along. Tignan natin. Lapit na to. Another minute. Ito na to. So while we're waiting for that, ang gagawin ko naman, so what I'll do, I'll put cheese here. Check ko rin kung pino ba. Okay. Yan. Okay. I'll make a paste, no, out of this. So ayaw mo na masyadong mainit yung tubig paglagay mo sa pasta. Para hindi maging stringy. Gusto mo lang ganito. Yan. So we'll melt the cheese. Yun, by putting yung mainit na tubig galing dito. No? Yan pa natin. Yan. So sabay-sabay mo ginagawa to. That's why if you do this all together in less than 15 minutes, tapos yung pasta mo eh. Okay? So we're done. Okay na yung broth natin using pepper. And then, ito na yung pasta natin. You can turn this off. And then, ito, we'll turn this off also. So wala na apoy. There you go. If you want more heat, if you want it more spicy, then you can add more pepper. It really depends on you, no? Anong taste ang gusto mo sa Cacio e Pepe. Okay? Now, if by doing this, biglang sa tingin nyo, mas lumamig naman yung pasta nyo, what you can do is just bring it back to the fire, no? Ayan. Tapos, i-mix mo lang dito. Ayan. Para ma-mix mo yung pepper doon sa pasta. So that's the next step. Yun lang. Halo mo siya mabuti. And then, lagyan siya ng water ng pasta. This is where we make the cream. So you want more para yun yung mag-emulsify dun sa cheese mo. Okay? So now we have that. Yung heat galing sa pasta. And then you just put in your cheese. Yan muna. Once the cheese is there, importante dito is you really mix it well. Mix it well. No? Yun. Alright. So what I'll do, I'll put it back, no? I'll put a little heat in it para uminit pa siya ng konti. Kasi kakamix mo, lumamig siya eh. Yun. So until makuha mo yung consistency na hinahanap mo sa sauce mo, yan lang siya talagang halo. So we'll add more cheese. Yun. And then mix pa. Yan. Once you get that creamy texture, yung emulsion mo, we'll get our plate ready. No? Yun. Ganda, oh. Okay. Messy lang talaga to eh. Messy kasi halo ka ng halo eh. See? Yan na yung sauce mo. Good. Fantastic, oh. Okay? Nice, oh. See? And then nakuha mo yung creamy sauce ng Cacio e Pepe. There you go. This how simple this dish is. Put it here. Okay. Artihan na natin ng konti. Ito lang. Pinaartihan natin, luto natin. I-serve na natin ng mabuti. There you go. Okay. Get the sauce here. Yan, yung remaining sauce, yun. Yun lalagay mo sa ibabaw dun. Yan. It's very creamy sauce, oh. Kasi yung starch ng pasta nandun, no? Yan, no? Beautiful. See? Dapat hindi siya stringy. Yun. And then, that's your Cacio e Pepe pasta. Alright, so let's try this. The best. Simple, oh. Yeah. I've done this before, and my mistake was hindi ko na-achieve yung creaminess ng sauce was because when I was doing this thing, masyado mainit yung pan. So dapat hindi masyado mainit yung pan, no? Yung retaining heat lang niya ang magluluto sa cheese niya while you're making the cream. So that's the perfect way of doing it. Sarap. Iba talaga yun, no? That's why yung mga Italians, they prefer using pecorino instead of parmesan. Iba yung aftertaste, ano, ng pecorino cheese. Tsaka yung mas maalat siya kaysa sa parmesan. But if you don't have pecorino, yung parmesan pwede yun. Pero the best talaga sa parmesan, of course, if you have to use it, use yung fresh one. Okay? So one more. Perfect. It's one of the easiest pastas you can make, but you have to be very careful in making your cheese sauce. Okay? So thank you for joining me right here in Goma. Thank you for giving us a wonderful day. And please like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell. Mag-comment kayo sa akin, no? Tapos sumasagot naman ako dun or nilalagyan ko kayo ng heart dun. Alright? So, again, share this with your friends, enjoy it with your family, and enjoy cooking. Cook it with love. I'll see you again next time, right here in Goma. Goodbye.